If one day you never hear from me again, please remember this. I loved you with everything I had. I made you my priority in ways I never thought I could. Out of all the paths to take, so many people I could have chosen. But out of all those options, I still chose you. I stayed. And when I finally leave, I hope my absence brings you the peace that my presence never could. My love was never perfect, but it was real. And even now, as I let go, a part of me will always hope you find the happiness I couldn't give you. If you ever think of me, I hope you remember the warmth, the laughter, the quiet moments where words weren't needed. I hope you know that even in the silence, I was loving you in ways I didn't always know how to express. And if the world ever feels heavy, I hope you find someone who carries your heart the way I once tried to with everything I had.